welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today I'm doing my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of August. I can't believe 2021 is literally half over. It's crazy to think about. Not gonna lie, I have already started this video once and then dropped my camera, so we're starting over. So I have already seen some of the products, but jumping right in, the theme this month here is Go All Out. Super cute little card. The only product we had talked about so far when I stopped was this, but this is the product I chose. It's the Iconic London bronzer in the shade Light Bronze. It's got their traditional gold packaging. Iconic London does this packaging quite a bit, but I do like the packaging. And then opening it up, it doesn't have a scent to it like at all. It is pretty light, but I honestly think that's gonna work out well for me because I do have pretty fair skin. There it is, swatched. Okay, don't fall again, camera. Moving on, the next thing I see in here is this giant box. This is the Clean Skin Club Clean Slate Clearing Mist. What is a clearing mist? Hold about 6 inches away from the face. Spread generously onto a clean, dry face and neck. Use both AM and PM after cleansing and before applying serums or moisturizers. So it's just like an extra step in your skincare, I guess. What is this supposed to do for me? It's $38. It's supposed to combat impurities and pollutants. Reduces acne and breakouts without drying the skin. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know if this is something I'm going to use. But we'll open it up and take a look at it. I might pass this along to someone else though. Ooh, the packaging is gorgeous though. I love this blue to like white ombre. That is so pretty. That makes me want to use it. Oh, I can smell the rose from here though. Ooh, I hate rose scented things. I mean, okay. I'm not mad at it, but I'm not in love with it either. Probably something I won't use. Okay, next thing in here is by Kate Somerville. It's the Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. I've never used this before. This retails for $70. Kate Somerville is quite expensive, but all of her products I've tried are really good. I've never tried this before. I've never heard of this, to be honest. I wonder if it's new. I don't know. But I've used the Exfoliate before, which is just an exfoliator, and it's so good. But I've never heard of the Exfoliate moisturizer. There we go. So here is out of the packaging. I will definitely get some use out of this for sure. I do really like moisturizers. Oh, it smells so good. It smells and looks a lot like the Exfoliate. Says not to use this on sunburn, so don't do that. Okay, I'm gonna set that in my little cubby over here of moisturizers to use. Next thing is the Pineapple Haze CBD Glossy Lip Butter from Truly. Looks like this. Never heard of this brand either. Retails for $16. Oh yes, I have. Ooh, it smells so good. This is the stuff that looks like frosting that's like for your body, but this is for your lips. I did not know they made lip stuff. Oh, I just want to smell that all day. It smells so good. It smells super pineapple-y, but like, it almost has like a lime hint to it too. It's pineapple and mango. So maybe mango is what I'm smelling, but super cute. I love the green and the yellow mixture there. I will definitely use that. My lips are always so dry. Like literally, I'm wearing a lipstick today instead of a liquid lip, which I usually wear to film, but I put the lip, like my chapstick on before I started doing my makeup, and when I went like that to swipe it on, it literally, my lips started bleeding. I was like, okay, your lips are seriously chapped. Okay. Last thing in here is this. It's a mascara. I'm not going to open it just because I have so many mascaras open right now and I don't want to be wasteful. But here is this. It is the All Night Bender Black Extreme Lash Mascara from Rockins Cosmetics. I've never heard of this brand before. Are you cruelty free? Oh, it's vegan and cruelty free. $29? This is $29 for this mascara. I don't know how I feel about that. That's like luxury prices, and I've never heard of this brand before, so interesting. I really need to figure out something to do with my hair because it's looking horrendous. But anyway, moving on. Yeah, I've never heard of this brand, so I don't know that I care for that. But quick recap. Mascara, we'll see how I feel about it after I use it. I don't think I'll ever repurchase it though, because $29 for mascara is a lot. The Truly Lip Butter I'm very excited for. The Iconic London Bronzer I'm very excited for. The moisturizer I'm very excited for. This I'm not excited for. So overall, a decent box. Like, I'm not blown away, but I'm not unhappy with what I got. So don't forget to like this video before you go, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future unboxings. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.